Hello world, Rich Fortney here. Quest Get on the Alone Show. Hey, subscribe and like if you like this video. Hey, we're going to be doing a few things today. We're going to be doing the hunting later on this afternoon. It was pounding the storm this morning, so we decided to come up here to the pond and try to do some fishing. Wyatt Black is going to try to use his fly rod and get him a couple trout along with his father. So we're going to see what we can do here. He's getting set up right now, but we'll film it and show y'all it, so y'all may like it.
First golden trout of my lifetime.
Well, that'd be good.
It would be.
So stay tuned.
Big one?
On the way. Oh shit, that's a big round. Oh shit. I believe so.
Huh? Getting that leaf off? Is that your? Here, hang on. Give me a good side one.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Beautiful fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Notice the green on it?
Yeah.
No, you're not. Yeah, that's that. Somebody caught that up here. Yeah, that's one of those natives.
Native browns. Yep.
Yeah.
There you go. Hey, it's a golden. It's a golden. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Hang on, Dad. Let me get that camera. Rich, you got the net there, buddy?
Oh, that's a nice goal too.
We got Dad with his first ever golden trout.
Got tangled up pretty good.
Look at that beautiful fish. What a beautiful fish.
That is a nice one. Get it out just as it starts.
Got the net. Okay, Dad, I want to get a real nice picture, so
Yeah.
careful with him. Hold him up there where I can
Oh yeah.
feel it.
That was a nice gold.
That's a beauty.
I like it. Those gold stripes through it. Oh, there we go. Yep.
Yeah, another golden.
Yeah.
Hang on, Rich. Let me get my camera going here.
Okay.
We got Rich with the golden here. What a beautiful fish. Oh, don't fall in the river. First time. Gee, did you ever net a fish before, boy?
Sliding in the snow.
All right. Look at that. All right, I'll get a photo now.
Yeah. Night crawler. What he hit on, or she hit on.
Beautiful fish. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah. Hey, I think they're about where that fresh water is. All right, world. This is day 3 closer. It was a real rainy day. I just wanted to do a quick update because I know there's a lot of pictures and stuff. There wasn't much filming. There isn't going to be much filming for the rest of the hunts, but I'll do these closers. We took Wyatt and his father Wayne on a tour of the area down there. You're going to see the pictures of a lot of beautiful country. Wyatt's dad caught a huge brown trout, a nice golden trout. I caught a golden trout. So then that was the morning. We went for our tour midday. Grabbed some lunch. Then we went to hunt. Wyatt and his father decided not to shoot anything. I decided to take a doe. I harvested a doe because I wanted to make sure they had some deer meat to go take back up to Canada. So with that being said, stay tuned for day 4. It's going to be our opener for rifle season. It's going to be a good day. Trust me, you're going to enjoy watching it. By the way, thank you, Sarah. So with that being said, arrivederci.